Hi guys, this is just a quick rundown on how your arrays program should work. So I assume that defining the form was fairly easy to you. It was straightforward. The only thing I did do was that I changed the font size on the input um, to 16. So you can just find that in the properties. Won't shrink down under font. If you expand that out, you can change it to 16. That was all I really did. Apart from that, it's all very straightforward. And I'm pretty sure you could set that up no problem. So I just want to start it and I'll run it, show you how it runs. It comes up on the wrong page. That's okay. Here it is. So if I type in a name and I type add student, that will add the name Penny to the array. And then it will also note that there's one in the array now and that I need to add the next one after that. So if I type in Zia and I go add student, it should append it to the array. So if I go list student now, you can see that index 0 is Penny and index 1 is Zia. And if I were to go Stephanie now, and I list the students, I would get all three, okay? If I clear the array, and then I list the students, you can see there's no students to list. So that's all the functionality there is. The only other thing of note is that if you add more than 10 students, so I've got an array that's 10 long. If I add more than 10 students, I just loop around and start adding them at the beginning of the list again, rather than appending them. You could print an error message if you wanted to, or something like that, or just maybe ignore anything over 10 would be another way to go. But you do need to code for that. So if you keep adding one to the index, you've got to always check that the index isn't going to overflow. And that's it. That's the functionality I want to see in learning arrays.